I do not know that you have kittens. But you don't know how to feed your kittens. You are the one eating. See, your kitten's very, very thin. You are taking everything. What happened to you, Black Tree? Oh my God. Your kittens will die.